Are you looking for a sleek and modern TV that promises vibrant colors and smart features? The Samsung Q60D 55-inch QLED 4K TV might just be on your radar. But before you hit that buy button, let's dive deep into its pros and cons. There are some surprising limitations you'll want to hear about. Stick around to the end to see if this TV truly matches your expectations. Samsung continues to impress with its design philosophy, and the Q60D is no exception. Featuring the Air Slim design, this TV is ultra-thin and minimalist, making it an attractive addition to modern living spaces. The slim profile ensures that it hugs the wall snugly if mounted, or sits elegantly on furniture with its sleek, wide-set feet. The bezels are almost invisible, enhancing immersion and giving the screen a borderless feel. But does it really hold up in build quality compared to pricier models? While the materials feel solid, it's mainly constructed with durable plastics. And while it looks premium, some competitors offer metal finishes in the same price range. If design is a priority for you, check out the Amazon link in the description for updated prices and offers. The Q60D's display is its centerpiece, boasting quantum dot technology for vibrant and true-to-life colors. It handles bright, colorful content beautifully, thanks to its wide color gamut, making it a fantastic choice for watching nature documentaries or animated films. The dual LED backlighting enhances contrast by using warm and cool LEDs to improve black levels and whites. However, while its 4K UHD resolution delivers crisp and detailed images, the lack of local dimming means it struggles with deep shadows in dark scenes. Additionally, the 60Hz refresh rate might disappoint gamers or action movie enthusiasts who demand smoother motion. If you watch content in well-lit rooms, this TV excels, thanks to its bright panel and anti-glare coating. But in dark environments, the contrast may feel underwhelming when compared to OLED competitors. What are your thoughts on picture quality? Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one. The audio system on the Samsung Q60D is functional but unremarkable. It delivers clean and balanced audio through its 20-watt speakers, sufficient for casual viewing and smaller rooms. The standout feature here is Object Tracking Sound Light, which mimics 3D surround audio by dynamically aligning sound with on-screen action. Additionally, adaptive sound optimizes audio levels based on what you're watching. Dialogue in movies and TV shows is clear, but bass lovers may find the low end lacking. Pairing this TV with a soundbar is highly recommended for a more immersive sound experience. Do you value audio quality as much as picture quality? Leave a comment and let us know if you think built-in speakers are enough. The Tizen OS that powers this TV is intuitive and fast, offering seamless access to all the major streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and YouTube. It also integrates multiple voice assistants, Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant, allowing you to control your TV hands-free. Gamers and multitaskers will appreciate features like Game Bar, which provides quick settings access for gaming. However, with HDMI 2.0 ports instead of the newer HDMI 2.1, it lacks advanced gaming features like variable refresh rate or 4K at 120Hz, which are critical for next-gen consoles. The One remote included with the TV is slim and straightforward, though some might prefer backlit buttons for easier navigation in the dark. SmartThings integration lets you control connected devices, making this TV a hub for smart homes. If smart features are what you're after, give this video a like to let us know you love cutting-edge tech. So what are the pros and cons of choosing the Samsung Q60D? Cons: lacks HDMI 2.1 support for advanced gaming. No local dimming, affecting dark scene performance. 60Hz refresh rate feels limiting for fast action. Speakers lack bass for immersive sound. Limited HDR brightness compared to premium TVs. Pros: quantum dot technology delivers vivid, lifelike colors. Slim, stylish Air Slim design fits modern aesthetics. Intuitive and fast Tizen OS interface. Supports multiple voice assistants for convenience. Great for bright rooms with effective anti-glare screen. The Samsung Q60D 55-inch QLED 4K TV delivers stunning colors, a sleek design, and robust smart features, making it a great all-rounder for casual viewers. However, if you're a gamer or someone who watches a lot of dark, cinematic content, its limitations might be a deal-breaker. To see the latest deals and pricing, check out the Amazon link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews, like this video if you found it helpful, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.